In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix inventory not tracked on Shopify. Managing your inventory efficiently is crucial to your success when running an online store. It ensures that your customers can get accurate information about what's in stock and allows you to keep your operations running smoothly. Let's dive in and make sure your Shopify inventory tracking is set up correctly, step by step. First, you'll need to access the specific product details within your Shopify admin. After logging in, navigate over to the Products section. This is where you'll find the list of all products available in your store. Select the particular product or variant that you want to enable inventory tracking for. It's important to be precise here, especially if you have numerous products or variants, as keeping track of the right item will help avoid any confusion. Once you've selected your product, scroll down to the Inventory section of the Product Details page. This is where the magic begins. Look for the checkbox labeled Track Quantity and make sure it's checked. By doing this, you're telling Shopify to monitor and update the stock levels each time an order is made. Next, you'll want to set the initial stock level. Simply enter the current quantity of the product you have available in the Quantity field. This ensures that your customers see the correct number of items in stock. Setting this correctly is critical as it prevents any potential customer dissatisfaction due to stock discrepancies. Now, here's an optional yet useful feature to consider. If you would like to allow your customers to continue purchasing a product even when it's out of stock, look for the Continue Selling When Out of Stock option and make sure that box is checked. This can be particularly helpful for products where you expect new stock soon and want to maintain sales continuity. After you've made all necessary changes, it's time to save them. Simply click the Save button and Shopify will update your settings. It's always a good practice to double-check everything at this stage just to ensure that the adjustments have been applied correctly. A few important considerations to keep in mind. If your product has different variants, such as sizes or colors, be sure to repeat these steps for each one individually to ensure everything is covered. Additionally, if you find you need to enable inventory tracking for multiple products at once, Shopify offers a handy bulk editor feature to make these changes all simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Remember, if your store operates out of multiple locations, you'll need to update the inventory quantity for each location as well under the product's settings. For those who prefer managing on the go, remember you can also control inventory tracking through the Shopify mobile app. With these steps, you'll have your Shopify inventory in tip-top shape, ensuring a smooth operation for both you and your customers.